Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. The FV function in Excel is a powerful tool for calculating the future value of an investment or a series of periodic payments, given a constant interest rate. This function is essential for financial planning, budgeting, and any scenario where you need to project the growth of your investments or savings over time. The FV function calculates the future value of an investment based on regular, constant payments and a constant interest rate. This makes it particularly useful for planning savings goals, retirement funds, or any situation where you want to forecast the value of your investments over time. The FV function can also handle situations where there are no periodic payments, such as a lump sum investment, making it versatile enough to cover various financial scenarios. The basic syntax for the FV function is as follows. Rate. This is the interest rate per period. If you're calculating monthly payments and the annual interest rate is 5%, you would use 5% divided by 12 or 0.004167. N per. This is the total number of payment periods in the investment. For example, if you're making monthly payments for 5 years, N per would be 60. PMT. This is the payment made each period. It remains constant throughout the life of the investment. If the payments are monthly, this would be the amount paid each month. PV. This is optional and represents the present value or the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. If omitted, Excel assumes a value of 0. Type. This is optional and indicates when payments are due. Use 0 for payments due at the end of the period. This is the default, or 1 for payments due at the beginning. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you want to calculate the future value of an investment with monthly payments of $200, an annual interest rate of 5%, and a duration of 5 years. Enter the interest rate, number of periods, and payment amount in separate cells. Use the FV formula to calculate the future value. Please note, in financial functions like FV, we use negative values for the PMT, payment, and PV, present value, because these represent cash outflows, money that you are paying out or investing. This formula will return the future value of the investment, which is approximately $13,387.79. Imagine you have a lump sum of $10,000 that you want to invest for 5 years at an annual interest rate of 5%, without making any additional payments. Enter the interest rate, number of periods, and present value in separate cells. Use the FV formula to calculate the future value. This formula will return the future value of the investment, which is approximately $12,833.59. These functions are invaluable in scenarios where you need to plan for the future. Here are a few examples of their practical applications. Retirement planning. Use the FV function to estimate the future value of your retirement savings, helping you determine how much to save each month to reach your retirement goals. Education savings. Calculate the future value of your savings plan to ensure you'll have enough to cover educational expenses when the time comes. Loan repayment. Forecast the future value of a loan balance to understand how much you will owe at a given point in time, taking into account regular payments. And there you have it. By mastering the FV function in Excel, you can accurately calculate the future value of investments, ensuring that your financial plans are realistic and achievable. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for education, or managing loans, the FV function is an essential tool that can help you make informed decisions and achieve better financial outcomes. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.